Welcome guys! Sharing with you today how I made this lovely wind chime. So stick around now. To do this chime from a remaining decor. This was from our original lighting fixture and I made several things already out of it. This is the remainder. I also have this shade. This also came from a lighting fixture. This was on a haul I did. I just have one in this too, so I want to reuse it to do the chime. I am also using my blind tape. I have two different colors. You can use whatever string you wish to. There's nylon, you can use chain, you can use twine, anything you wish to. So I've already cut them into the lengths that I want. And on the flake, it comes with a hole here. I'm just going to run the string through and it goes through very easy. And what I will do on the end is knot it. So it will prevent the twine from coming through. My original wind chime. And these sounds are very relaxing. This is a small one, but they come in all different large sizes, medium sizes, and small. So it comes in several parts, where you have the string to the top, the string that extends down to hold the pipe. You have the center piece. This is the knocker, and this is another piece that extends down. So when the wind blows, it hits on the knocker and you get the sound. Now on the pipe, whether big or small, you must drill holes on the inside here to hold your string in place. Now on this one has 4 pipes. Now I'm just going to clean up this, get this sanded because I want to reuse this, and clean it up nicely. Maybe give it a spray, who knows. So let's see what I come up with. One these extending from the piece here. So what I did is cut my strings to length, tied a knot. Of course I'm going to burn here so that it does not fray out. And so I have my lengths that I want. I'm leaving this the color. I love the color that it already has. And I'm just going to tie them. Let me push it this way. It will be easier. I'm just going to tie them to the top here. I'm not going to knot it as yet. And see the length that I want. And I think this is a nice length here. So I'm going to do all of them like that. So I'm just knotting it to the top. So position all of them where I want them. And just tie them in. So I'm just going to tie out all of them in place. Finish putting all of them on. So I have 6 pieces here. And like you see, I tie them 2 pieces each to each segment of this. I'm just going to cut off the excess here and burn them with a lighter. Also, I'm going to take the chime outside and give it a spray. Now I was thinking of, just tying the chime onto this one, but I think I'll just spray it and use it as it is. So I've already sanded. I used this and I sanded it. I have it outside. I washed it out and with the dust, so I'm going to get it sprayed. So I'm thinking of using black or this lovely bronze stone, burning it off. And this stops it from fraying and so. So what I'm going to do, because this doesn't have a center piece, I'm just going to cut this piece of dowel and tie it onto the top, so this is going to anchor the piece that comes down in the center. So I'm just going to mark it where I want it cut and get that cut off. The chime, I did spray here white and I did use the bronze instead of the black, so it's dried. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to, I also sprayed the top part here. I'm just going to pass the chime through the dowel. I'm going to set it down on the inside and I'm just going to glue this in place. So I'm just going to center the piece using my glue gun. I'll just put some glue. Sorry guys to my hand. And press it down and let it adhere. So this is how the inside is looking. So I have this lovely piece with my lovely glass flakes, hanging crystals, and the existing piece in the center here. So all I need to do now is tie a string to the top here, and I'm going to use the same blind tape that I used and just tie it in place. I was going to tie it to the ends, but I just decided to tie it to the dowel in the center instead. And guys, this is how the revamp looks. It turned out lovely. So this is how it's looking. I just took it outside because the wind is blowing and you can hear. And it came out lovely, guys. So thanks guys for being with me, and I'm placing this on the entry to my kitchen. So I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you quite soon guys. Bless you guys, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.